Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how you can set up eToro money wallet. Hi everyone, my name is Ahsan. I have been using eToro since the past couple of months, and as eToro is present in many different countries, services that they provide vary from region to region. eToro has their trading platform, their money wallet, and they have eToro X, which is an exchange, and this eToro exchange might not be available in your country. For example, eToro X or eToro exchange is only available in the following countries. As it is not available in Germany, unfortunately I cannot test it for you guys. But you know what is doable in all countries? Hitting the like button. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot, so thank you very much for hitting the like button. eToro money wallet was previously known as eToro wallet, and this wallet was renamed just a few weeks ago. On the official eToro wallet page, it says that eToro wallet supports more than 120 cryptocurrencies, but again it depends on your country. For example, in Germany and many other countries, eToro money wallet only supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Stellar. In other countries, more cryptocurrencies might be supported, but at the moment I don't see any information on their official website apart from these 6 cryptocurrencies that I've mentioned. If you go to their official website, you can have a look at the services. They say they have 3 products. However, I cannot see the third product as I'm in Germany and it's not available in Germany. But if you are in another country where it's supported, you can see the 3 different products: the trading platform, the exchange, and the eToro money wallet. The asset flow within eToro products can be seen. For example, one can receive and send fiat currency from the eToro trading platform. One can only send cryptocurrency from the eToro trading platform into the eToro money crypto wallet. In the eToro money crypto wallet, you can send and receive cryptocurrency. In supported countries, you can also convert from your cryptocurrencies into fiat currency within your eToro money wallet, but I don't see this option available in Germany and in many other countries. So have a look if it's available in your country or not. Also, if you have eToro X in your country, then you can send and receive cryptocurrency from the eToro money wallet into the eToro X exchange, where you can send and receive cryptocurrency to another external party, or you can send and receive fiat currency as well. You can install the eToro money wallet from the Play Store, or you can also install it from the App Store. Once installed, you can access the eToro money wallet using the same credentials as your eToro trading platform. So go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you can set up different kinds of crypto wallets within the eToro money wallet. So to do that, you can click on the plus sign on the top right corner. And as this is not the first time I'm using this, as I have already set up multiple wallets, for example, for Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar. And if you want to set up your wallet, you can simply click on the add button and it will be added into your eToro money wallet. Now, one issue that many users have is when they click on the add Ethereum wallet button, there comes an error which says that Ethereum wallet creation is only available by transferring ETH from the eToro platform to the eToro money wallet. So you do not need to add the Ethereum wallet. You can simply transfer from the eToro trading platform directly into the eToro money wallet. You need to check which cryptocurrencies are supported before you can transfer that cryptocurrency out of the eToro trading platform into the eToro money wallet. But even if you are transferring a supported cryptocurrency, there are many things that you need to consider beforehand. For example, the minimum amount of cryptocurrency that you are transferring and the transaction limit, among many other things which I have discussed in detail in this video. So if you have any issues in the transfer process, it's most likely that I have discussed it in this video already. Even if you are transferring a correct amount of the supported cryptocurrency, one of the biggest issues is the mode of payment with which you bought your cryptocurrency. If you bought crypto using any other method than wire transfer and bank transfer, you will most likely have to wait between 90 to 180 days before you can transfer your cryptocurrency out from the eToro trading platform into the eToro money wallet. And this depends on your eToro club level. Another thing to consider is the transfer from the eToro trading platform into the eToro money wallet is one way, meaning that you cannot transfer your cryptocurrency back from the eToro wallet into the eToro trading platform. However, you can always transfer your cryptocurrency from the eToro money wallet to another wallet or another exchange. I have already made a video on how you can transfer from the eToro trading platform to Binance. You can watch the video here. To transfer cryptocurrency from eToro trading app into the eToro wallet, first you'll need to open the eToro trading platform. Go to your portfolio and click the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Now, if you have multiple trades open, select the trade that you want to transfer. Here you will be able to see if your trade is eligible for transfer or not. This trade that I have opened is not available for transfer, as this does not fulfill the minimum amount of Ethereum that I can transfer into the eToro trading app. At this moment, the minimum units for transfer is 0.26 Ethereum, and I cannot transfer this cryptocurrency out into the eToro money wallet. If you have a look here, all of my Bitcoin trades are more than the minimum amount that is needed to transfer, but this does not work out because each trade that I have opened needs to be more than the minimum amount of transfer limit. So I cannot simply transfer all of my trades if each individual trade is less than the minimum amount. So you need to be careful about that. At the moment, I do not have any trades that are eligible for transfer. However, I have already made a step-by-step video on how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from eToro trading platform into the eToro money wallet. You can have a look at that video here. But if you have a trade that's eligible for transfer, you can simply click on transfer and you can follow the steps that are provided by the eToro trading platform. So the transfer itself takes between 2 to 5 working days. The weekends do not count, so keep that in mind. Once you receive your cryptocurrency in the eToro money wallet, you will get a notification that your request for sending the crypto has been confirmed and you have received the amount of crypto that you send from the trading platform. I personally prefer Exodus wallet. It is a great wallet. You can send and receive multiple cryptocurrencies, and you can also convert between many different types of cryptocurrencies. I've also made a video on how you can transfer from the eToro trading app into Exodus. You can also watch that video here. As I mentioned before, most likely you will have issues with transferring your cryptocurrency from the eToro trading app into the eToro money wallet. I have written an article on that issue on my website. I'll put a link for that article in the description below. You can have a look at that article there. If you want to transfer cryptocurrency from eToro to Binance, you can watch this video. And if you want to know step-by-step procedure of how you can transfer crypto from eToro into eToro money wallet, you can watch this video here. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them down in the comments below. I try to answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bleib gesund.